Warning for all husbands who have a wife who is a crafter. When she stay home from work, maybe she's waiting for all the packages to arrive and want to hide them from you. I'm speaking from my experience. Hello everyone, today is going to be a short video. I'm unboxing my purchase, the material for my projects, upcoming project. I'm not sure what I have. I have a lot of material, but always when I start a new project, I always buy something new. So this time, I don't know what I purchased, so let's unbox together. Bicone bead for my Christmas project. Everything green. It's a Christmas project. Oh, this one too. Everything I bought is for Christmas project. And the big one, big box. I didn't know that I bought so much. I'm going to make the Christmas star of this. And I bought a lot. I didn't know that I bought so many of the bugle beads. I have to stay home from work today to wait for all my packages, and I don't want my husband to see them. I think I can speak for all the crafter. You never have enough of materials. When you start a new project, you always need something. As you can see behind me here, I already start another project that I'm going to film a video today. And I already have 1,000 of a project in my head that I like to create, but unfortunately I don't have time. So maybe next year when I retire from my work. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!